ECB President Christine Lagarde has stated that the euro could become a viable alternative to the dollar, earning the 20-nation bloc immense benefits. In a speech in Berlin, she highlighted that the global economic order backed by the US dollar was fracturing and made a pitch for the euro as a global reserve currency. Lagarde argued that Europe needs a deeper, more liquid capital market, must bolster its legal foundations, and needs to underpin its commitment to open trade with security capabilities. She further added that any enhanced role for the euro must coincide with greater military strength that can back up partnerships.
And to reinforce the transmission of our policy rate increases to bank lending conditions.
In the meantime, the euro hit a one-month high against the dollar after U.S. President Donald Trump backed down from threatened 50% duties on European Union shipments from June the 1st, after the bloc asked for time to reach a good deal. The euro climbed as much as 0.55% to reach $1.1418 for the first time since April 29th. It was last up 0.36% on the day at $1.1394, bringing gains for the year so far to 10%. Moreover, the sterling rose by 0.39% to its highest level since February 2022 and was last up 0.25% on the day at $1.3574. Goldman Sachs has said that Chinese stocks could rise as the yuan strengthens, with every 1% appreciation boosting equities by 3%. The bank raised its yuan forecast to 7 per dollar, citing better earnings outlook and foreign inflows. Consumer property and broker shares are likely winners. The MSCI China Index has recovered recent losses, aided by a trade truce with the U.S., and the yuan hit a 6-month high, gaining 1.4% in May. Reuters has reported that Nvidia is set to launch a new, more affordable artificial intelligence chipset for the Chinese market, with mass production anticipated as early as June. Priced between $6,500 and $8,000, this new chip features weaker specifications and simpler manufacturing, reflecting Nvidia's adaptation to stringent U.S. export controls. This marks Nvidia's third tailored chip for China, a market that comprises 13% of its sales, but where its market share has plummeted from 95% to 50% due to U.S. restrictions. In markets, stocks showed mixed performance in Asia and Europe as U.S. shares are off today on Memorial Day. In Europe, the UK's FTSE 100 dipped 0.24%, while Germany's DAX gained 1.52% and France's CAC 40 rose 1.14%. In Asia, Shanghai Composite Index inched down 0.05%, and the Hang Seng in Hong Kong was down 1.35%, while Japan's Nikkei 225 rose 1%.